Today we will explain mPower MP400P gas detector, MP400, MP400, SMP400, P Pro. These products have similar operation functions. In this video, we will take MP400P as an example, explain the operation and use method. Open the package. This is the product certificate. Test report. English instruction manual. Chinese manual. MP400P detector native.
Spec chart.
Water trap filter. The total weight is only 400 grams. It has IP67 protection level. It can be short time submerged. There is a stainless steel back clip on the back, which is convenient to wear. Top intake preloaded with water trap filter, which blocks moisture and dust. Long press the right button for 3 seconds to turn on. The instrument self-checks and preheats. Usually no more than 2 minutes. After the preheating is complete, the main interface simultaneously displays the real-time concentrations of 4 gases. The upper left corner shows hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Lower left corner is level of combustible gas, and oxygen in the lower right corner. In non-alarm state, press the left button. You can test buzzer, LED light, vibration to ensure all alarm functions are intact. MP400P built-in large flow diaphragm pump. Flow is 250 cc/minute. Maximum sampling distance of 30 meters can be achieved, compared with diffusion instruments. Pump suction has a faster response speed. T90 only takes 30 seconds. In addition, the MP400P has built-in fall alarm function. When the instrument is stationary for more than 30 seconds, it will trigger a pre-warning. If no one answers, a distress alarm will be issued. Now let's demonstrate an alarm with a lighter. Once the concentration exceeds the preset alarm point, the instrument will emit sound, light, vibration, triple alarm. Even in a high-noise environment or wearing headphones, the alarm will not be missed. In the normal detection interface, press the right button to cycle through other data. Peak value. Minimum value. Stel, TWA. Time and temperature. Battery. Calibration and measurement gases for combustible gases. If you need to modify the alarm threshold, you can enter the settings menu or connect to the computer software to modify it. Press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously. Enter password 0000. You can enter the settings menu. There are 6 menus in the setting mode: calibration measurement, alarm settings, data collection, detector settings. 1. Calibration menu. Fresh air calibration. Multi-gas calibration. This method can only be used to calibrate H2S, COLEL, excluding O2. Single gas, 0. This option can only zero oxygen. Single gas calibration. You can choose from all 4 gases in this option. Bump test refers to the introduction of 4 gases to test whether the sensor function is normal. Set standard gas value. Calibration values can be set for 3 other gases besides oxygen. Three-point gas calibration. Now, let's demonstrate the simultaneous calibration of 3 gases. Connect standard gas cylinder hose. Open the cylinder valve and flow meter switch in turn. Waiting for ventilation, calibration, countdown. All show pass and the calibration is complete. Exit the calibration interface and close the cylinder. 2. Measurement menu. The sensor can be turned off or on. Gas unit. The unit of each gas can be changed. 3. Alarm settings. High report, alarm value setting. Change understatement, alarm value. Modify the Stell alarm value. Modify the TWA alarm value. Alarm settings. Lights, buzzer, vibration can be turned on or off. Heartbeat indicator light. You can change the interval between flashing lights. Fall, alarm switch. The settings here are more detailed. Generally, both horizontal and vertical directions are turned on by default. Now, let's demonstrate the function of fall alarm. After opening, the detection interface will display a fall alarm icon. When the detector is stationary beyond the set time, it will trigger an alarm reminder to ensure the safety of personnel. Here you can set the alarm time for the fall alarm. FEL, alarm sensitivity. Low, medium, and high. Fall alarm detection time. 4. Data logging function. It can store concentration data for 6 months. You can manually clear all historical data. But please be careful. Data interval. The recording interval can be set to 1 to 3,600 seconds. Sensor selection. 5. Instrument settings. Settings with a variety of small functions. LCD screen contrast. You can change the contrast between text and background on the screen. Pump speed. The pump frequency can be changed. Pump stall. Threshold can be changed. Temperature units can be switched between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can switch between English and Chinese in the language settings, Spanish, Portuguese, and Dutch. Backlight mode. Can choose automatic, manual, off. The screen automatically flips. The screen can automatically flip after opening. Compliance check. Includes bump test, calibration check, bump test time, calibration time, time setting. Next, remove the watch and replace the sensor. Long press the right button for 5 seconds to power off. Unscrew the 6 screws on the back cover after shutting down. Open the back cover. Please note that the lid can only be opened in a safe area and must use original mPower accessories. The MP400P features a fully modular design. Sensors, filters. The pump and battery can be replaced separately. Pull out the old sensor. Look in the direction of the base and insert the new sensor. Replacing the water trap filter is easier. Just unscrew the old filter at the air inlet and replace it with a new one. Regularly replace the filter and sensor. Ensures the instrument's long-term stability and reliability. The battery is inside. Install mainboard and shell in turn. Screw the screws back one by one. The sensor replacement is done. Let's reboot. The gas display is normal. Okay, so let's show the supporting software. First, use the data cable to connect the computer and the detector. Open the software. Then click Find. The connected detector will be displayed on the left. Select the detector that needs to change the settings. The instrument interface shows communication. It can be changed in the software. Gas alarm value, high alarm value, low alarm value. Numerical units, calibration values, calibration points, etc. You can change the alarm value and calibration point. You can check it here. Instrument name. Instrument model. serial number, version number. You can change the menu password here. Select whether to turn on the zero mark, intelligent diagnosis, startup, pump test, hardware, display settings. You can view data and event logs at the top. After all settings are completed, you can click Write Configuration. You can also choose to export the event data log.